Today we're gonna be reacting to some videos again. Do you remember that balloon and all? Okay, let's get right into it then. Here. Okay, let's hit play and see. It's just my guy getting some coffee. Whoa, why did it what? No. That's a vacuum! Run or break it. Find a way to do something to it. Guy. Go. All right, it's just this guy right here, just vacuuming the carpet like normal. And do you know what's in that carpet? Like there's like little ants and all, like those. They're like actually humans right now. Whoa! Look at this vacuum. This is a big vacuum destroying the city, and actually just a guy vacuuming. Whoa, guy, run! Ow! Get that off you and read that run. Come on. Wait, oh no. The vacuum's turning back around. I do not know about this. Go run. All you have to do is run from that vacuum. Last time we did that balloon thing, oh no, it's dead end. Let's talk later, guys. For now, this guy has to go. It's dead end. He is sucked up. For sure. Oh no. He just got very lucky. Maybe a giant is vacuuming right now. Really? A tree? Come on. Okay. Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh no, it's coming back down. Run. Oh no. Run. He has to get sucked up. How? He is dead meat. He's dead. Whoa. He's literally getting sucked up right now. He's getting sucked up right in the vacuum right now. Whoa. Oh. He just got really lucky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's eating some tea. Okay. Drink some tea. Okay. Bro, he just got really lucky. He got lucky. He almost got eaten by a vacuum. Wait, what are you gonna do now? Get out of there before he turns it back on. Oh no, he's done drinking his tea. They're seeing the newspaper. Yeah, like seeing the newspaper and drinking tea. Get out of there! Wait, what are you doing? Oh no. Bro, it just crushed his whole body, but his feet are remaining. And oh no, he's gonna do an axe. I won't do that if I were you. Oh no, that's really electrical right there. And the guy's drinking his coffee. Don't drinking it. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Yes, we did it! Yes. Oh, that was electrical. Oh, we did it! Oh, really? It's duct tape! Come on! Duct tape! You guys need to find another way. Oh, no. He's dead for sure. Whoa. There's this hammer. Wait, what are you doing? Get away from that thing. Oh, really? He's riding the vacuum? He's riding the vacuum. Like, he's going up. It's like a giant snake. Oh, no. How is this even possible? Don't look down. It's not even that high anyways, but that was pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, this is not gonna be good. He's literally climbing up right now. Oh no. How is he having so much grip? How is he having so much grip right now? Like it's like that. Oh no. Oh, it's shaking a little bit. He's using grip. I would just slide down if I tried to do that. I would just slide down. I wonder how he gets all the grip. Oh no, he's losing his grip. Oh no, get up there and get him. Oh no. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Whoa, no. Now it's dog hair everywhere. Ugh. That's how you can tell that's fake. Because when you fall from that high, how do you land on your feet with no dying? Okay, that's how you know it's fake. Yes, let's go. Oh no. And this guy has a whole mess in his house. Whoa, look how many vacuums he has. Oh no, what are you doing? Don't tell me you're gonna buy that from Amazon. Oh no. You got an electric vacuum. Okay. Oh no. Too bad for the people. It's on the map. Okay. Let's go. Wait, that's sick. I want one of those. Okay, let's go. Oh no! It's flying too. It looks like in the city, it's flying now. It's flying. Run! Run! You gotta run! Run. Before it kills you and picks you up. Oh no, he's dead for sure. Um. Oh, Nah. Okay. I, I think he's dead now. Okay! Well, that was an insane. And that was an awesome adventure. I'm gonna vacuum my house. I'm gonna vacuum my house now. I'm just gonna get a vacuum. Really, I don't even know how to spell vacuum. Okay. I don't know how to spell vacuum. That's the laundry room. I go up here. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got my vacuum. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Oh, am I really killing people right now? Oh no. What am I doing? And that was an awesome adventure. If you enjoyed this video right now, bye guys.